Good morning. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the next important cell organelle. Earlier, in the last few lectures, we have discussed about the cell structure. We have discussed the eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, as well as the cell membrane or plasma membrane. And next important organelle we have discussed in the last lecture, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Now, there is one more important cell organelle, that is Golgi complex, or it is Golgi apparatus. So this is important organelle because it has some specific functions, and this organelle is also known as post office of the cell. So as like the post office where the material is received and it is processed and then it is dispatched as per the particular address. Likewise, the Golgi complex is also involved in processing, packaging and transport of the material, especially the proteins and lipids. Now this important organelle it is present in the cytoplasm. So it has two phases, one phase towards the nucleus and other phase towards the plasma membrane. This organelle was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898, and under electron microscope it looks like a sacs, flattened sacs placed one above the other, and it has role in secretion of the granule. It is apparatus or assembly where the raw material are directed into the Golgi apparatus and it is processed there, and it is again passed out from that Golgi apparatus and transported as per the requirement of the cell. Now this is referred as manufacturing and shipping center of eukaryotic cell because it has a role in processing or manufacturing of proteins and lipids, and it is transported across the cell. It has also role in packaging, and it has a role in modifying, sorting and packaging of macromolecules, especially the proteins and the lipids. Now structurally, this Golgi complex is a flattened sac-like structure, and this structure is placed in the cytoplasm. So it has uh, two faces. One on inner side, it faces towards the nucleus or endoplasmic reticulum, and on the outer side, on the other side, it has the face towards the plasma membrane. Now this organelle where the flattened sac-like structures are there, and these flattened sac-like structures are called as cisternae. So morphologically in the Golgi complex there are three basic components: the cisternae, flat tubular sac-like structures, that is cisternae, then vesicles and the vacuoles. So with the help of these three structures, this Golgi complex has works like a post office, or it works in modification, sorting and packaging of the macromolecules. Now this is how the Golgi complex actually looks. So it has the vesicles, it has the cisternae. So vesicles are incoming vesicles and secretory vesicles. Incoming vesicles, that means these vesicles. So basically it works like the proteins are synthesized in the nucleus or somewhere, and these proteins are raw proteins, so it requires to process that raw protein, and for the processing these proteins are packed in the vesicles. So these packed protein, that is vesicles, enters into the Golgi complex. They are processed in the Golgi complex, and then modified protein are released from the Golgi complex. So in that structure we can find that there are two phases, cis phase and trans phase. So cis phase is towards the nucleus and transphase is towards the plasma membrane, and these cis and transphase helps in processing of the material. Now in this picture again we can look in detail the cis phase, that is the phase on inner side or towards the nuclear membrane, and the transphase, that is outer side towards the plasma membrane. Now in that the cis phase is also known as the receiving department because it receives the proteins or lipids from the nucleus, and the transphase is known as the shipping department through which they are transported. And this cis phase of the Golgi apparatus is associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. So structurally, if we find the nucleus on the inner side, on the surface of nucleus we can find the endoplasmic reticulum, and above the endoplasmic reticulum the Golgi complex is placed. On the Golgi complex has two phases: cis phase towards the endoplasmic reticulum or towards the nucleus, and the transphase, it is towards the plasma membrane. So this Golgi complex has several functions. The main function is to modify, sort and package the macromolecules that are synthesized by the cell. The second important function is the modification of proteins prepared by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So in rough endoplasmic reticulum, it has a role in the synthesis of proteins. So in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, as the ribosomes are present, this rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the process of protein synthesis. The proteins synthesized are raw proteins, and it requires the modification or sorting of these proteins, and it takes place in the Golgi complex. They are also involved in the transport of lipid molecules around the cell. So the lipid molecules which are synthesized, these lipid molecules are transported across the cytoplasm with the help of Golgi complex. They also have role in creation of lysosomes. Lysosomes are degrading bodies, degrading structures, and these structures are synthesized with the help of Golgi complex. It is referred as post office because it has role in packaging, labeling and transport in different parts of cell. There are some enzymes present in the cistern. So cistern is flattened sac-like structure, and this sac-like structure is filled with lumen or filled with some fluid, and that fluid contains the enzymes. So these enzymes, in addition to modification of proteins, it has a role in carbohydrate and phosphate processing with the help of or through the processes like glycylation and photophosphorylation. So this Golgi complex is important organelle and processing unit of the cell. It is present in the cytoplasm and it has a specific role. So we'll just scroll. Thank you.